It is an absolutely beautiful day to do an exhaust comparison video. We are going to do the stock Honda Grom. This is a 2023 versus the Zoom exhaust high mount exhaust. We'll do a startup on each. We'll do a little bit of revving on each, and then I'm hoping to do 2 flybys for a total of like 4 different comparison points. I'll have my phone out with a sound level meter app running so that we can get some hard numbers, because cameras auto adjust for sound and I don't really want to blow your eardrums out either. So yeah, I'm gonna get set up and we'll get revving. Stock exhaust. So it is several weeks since I filmed the original noise tests. Had a chance to break in the packing on the muffler a little bit. I got a baffle that I still don't know if I love or not, so we're gonna hear the baffle as well. But yeah, it's been a while. It's been about 3 weeks, I think, since I actually installed the exhaust, and it is still real loud. With the baffle, it's manageable, but I don't know how much even this higher flow baffle is affecting things, but that's beside the point. You just want to hear what the exhaust sounds like, right? So okay, I'm hoping y'all will be able to hear the difference when I take the baffle out. Several weeks in the future, Spencer again. I just wanted to say I found a baffle system that works. So what I did is I took that Drag Industries baffle, removed the fiberglass packing off of it, and then drilled a few extra holes around the perimeter to try and get a little bit better airflow. I still don't think it's perfect, and I'm probably losing a little bit of performance, but sound-wise, it is fantastic. So, yeah, it's deep, it's angry without being farty, and you can be quiet if you want to. So, anyways, okay, well, those are the comparisons. Yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate you stopping in. Those of you that are just here for the exhaust, consider subscribing. I've done a lot of work to my little Grom, and there's quite a bit more to come, so I would say stick around. For the rest of you that are regulars, appreciate having you here, and we'll see you in the next one.